In this video, we're going to go over changing the username for the test cell account owner. So for starters, we're going to log out of the test cell account. Then we're going to log in as a different user. You should have a CyFlex user on your system if you've built from the latest ISO. If not, the instructions show you how to create a new user. And so the next thing we're going to do is pull up the instructions. You're going to go to CyFlex.com, search username, click on this change a login. And like I mentioned, it says you must be logged into a different account to change the username. So that's why we switched to CyFlex user. So we're going to be changing from VM1 to VM-new. But if you had TC1 and you needed to change it to FTR or TC7 or whatever, it's the same steps. Just be sure you don't get mixed up when this says new username and old username, because I have done that. So for starters, you're going to go to settings. So you hit the super key or the Windows key and you type SET, and then you're going to go to your settings, details, users. We're going to click the account that we're going to be changing. We're going to say unlock, and then we're going to turn off auto login. And then for now, I'm just going to minimize this. And so then we're going to, and so that was step 2, so click unlock to toggle and automatic login. So then we're going to start executing these commands. So this is sudo usermod -l, our new username is vm-new, and then -d home vm new, again the new username, -m, and then the old username, which is VM1. It's going to ask me for my password. And now step 4, we're going to do sudo group mod -n and the new group name, which is going to be VM-new, and then the old group name, which is VM1. And so here you see this is saying to reboot the computer, but one thing that this failed to mention is that you need to change the name in here as well. So I'm going to type VM-new and I'm going to hit enter, and we're going to see it change here. And so then we're going to close out of this, and then we're going to close out of this, and we're going to do a sudo reboot. Enter. So now we have our new user account. I'm going to log in. You can see our home directory has been renamed. We click the terminal and now our username is VM-new. Who am I? VM-new. There's a home VM-new directory. And so the final thing is to make sure that VNC works. You're going to have to update the file that specifies the username for that. So we're going to go back to CyFlex.com. Username, and we're going to scroll down for this file. So we're going to do code.config systemd user x0 vnc server service, and then we're going to look for our old username, which was VM1, and we're going to replace it with our new username, VM-new. Control S for save, close, And now the only other thing you will probably want to do, if this applies to you, is you're going to open your settings back up. You're going to scroll down to Details, Users, VM New, Unlock, enter your password, and turn Auto Login back on. Close out of here. Reboot the machine, and you should see that it's going to automatically log back in now. And there we go. Easy as that.